I could get an air show where somebody would fucking break Mach 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, the unmatched performance and precision that Michael showed you today comes from his 20 years of intense training and competing in top-level regional, national, and global competitions. In fact, Michael has flown on 3 U.S. World Aerobatic teams and is a past U.S. National Aerobatic Champion. Michael performed in his first air show in 1989 when he was still a teenager and has been living his dream ever since. Today, Michael is one of the best air show flyers in the world. Michael is only one of 7 aviators who have received all 3 of the airshow industry's top awards. Michael was also one of an elite group of pilots who competed in the Red Bull Air Race World Championship. This mind-blowing competition of speed and agility played out in amazing cities around the globe each summer. Michael hopes you'll